Google isn't catching up anymore. It's firing back, and the target is OpenAI. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Google has unleashed its newest AI model, Gemini 3, and it says it's smarter, sharper, and far less needy than anything. CEO Sundar Pichai hyped the model as one that grasps depth and nuance and helps people get answers with less prompting. In easy words, no more writing paragraphs to get your point understood. Gemini 3 can take a messy, handwritten recipe in multiple languages and turn it into a polished family cookbook, or watch your pickleball footage and spit out a personalized training plan. This thing isn't just reading, it's analyzing. Gemini 3 is now plugged into all of Google's biggest products like Search, the Gemini app, AI Studio, and Vertex AI, and it already has a massive audience with 650 million app users and 2 billion people seeing AI overviews each month. Google's AI leaders say Gemini 3 Pro avoids cliche and flattery, a clear jab at ChatGPT, and the timing shows Google is in fact targeting OpenAI as it just launched its Atlas browser and GPT-5, which now serves 700 million weekly users. All in all, Google and OpenAI are in full-on AI showdown, and Gemini 3 is Google's loudest shot yet. Which one is your choice of AI chatbot? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.